Hey you guys, holy moly, it is April and it's time for the Purpose Driven Essentials kit for April, and I want to unpack this thing with you. I have not peeked inside yet. I only broke the label, so let's look inside together and see what we've got for April. All right, we have a packing list, which I always appreciate because it lists all the things that you should find in your kit. We have a prayer bead. This is a tradition they started a few months ago where you can add a bead to a tassel or a string. One came with the kit, but you could start your own. And every time God answers a prayer of yours, you can add that bead to your tassel or your string so that it can just be a visual reminder that God is answering your prayers. I love this. I think it's such a neat tradition and such a neat idea. All right, we have a cute little mint green chiffon bow. That is super pretty. We have some more like little ribbon. It looks like ribbons and buttons and pearls and lace and little fabric to play with. That's super pretty. I love these springy colors. Ooh, and our treat this month is a beautiful Easter cross sugar cookie. Oh, that sounds like perfect for dessert tonight. That will not make it till Easter. And it looks like here is the information on, it looks like there's some tape on here. Not sure. Oh, I think the tape probably was stuck to the cookie and now it's not. This is the bakery they come from. And since you can order, since they send these in the mail, you can obviously order the treats that they send. And that's one of the fun things about this kit is they usually order, usually include some kind of treat or goodie or snack in their kit. And that's really fun. And it introduces you to some fun companies that you may be able to use later. All right, this is a Bible journaling rub-on pen. Oh, how fun. And it looks like it comes with two different tape dispensers. One says prayer note and one is hearts. I will use that and show you how that works. That is super fun. I do not have one of those, so that's really fun. Then it looks like we've got some other fun stuff here. Oh wow, this kit looks pretty packed, you guys. This will keep us busy for April for sure. Look at that, how beautiful that is. There's a beautiful wooden cross. This could be a great bookmark in your Bible. Or look, I think it's a little journal. Oh, it's the devotional. So they almost always write in-house devotional. Oh, they're using the soap method. I actually have a video of that. If I can find the link to it, I will link it in the notes. But I taught the soap method here on my YouTube channel a while back. So if you want to learn what the soap method of doing Bible devotions is, I will explain that to you in case you don't get this kit. If you get this kit, I would guess that in the beginning of this, yeah, it talks about what the soap method is and how you use that. It's an acronym so that you can remember just different aspects of looking into the scriptures. And this is beautiful, you guys. I'll probably use this as a bookmark in my Bible. Because I like to take soap notes in the margins of my Bible. I just like keeping my notes in my Bible so that I can kind of remember where I was and what I was thinking about at the time. And then this napkin, for God so loved the world that he gave his only son. That's beautiful. So if you have not done a napkin in your Bible yet, I will show you how to do that too. They are a really cool trick for, you could use them to make cards, you could use them in your Bible, you can use them for collage, you can use them for all sorts of things. So I will show you how to put a napkin in your Bible, and we will do that together too. We're gonna have to plan lots of videos. I'm excited. Ooh, ooh, Bible, books of the Bible tabs. I guess I don't need to open this. These are tabs you can put on every book of the Bible. It's almost time for me to get a new journaling Bible. Mine's getting kind of big and full. So I might save these for my next journaling Bible because those are really cute. And then little ink pads. Oh, that's really nice. That's really fun. A bunch of different colors. That's super pretty. Let's see, the CD. They always include a CD also. This one is by Sanctus Real, called Change. Very cool, super pretty, and has my favorite flower on the front. Anyway, totally random thought, but thought I'd share. And then this cute, oh, you guys, I love little organization pouchy things. This is so cute. Let's see. I love this kind of stuff. This is so cute. Oh, look, the back is different. Oh, has a bunch of different really neat phrases on it. And then the front is this black and white floral. That's another kind of art thing that I like combining, is black and white with a bunch of color. So that's kind of, I like the graphics of this. So this is kind of fun. This is a good way to kind of keep your kit stuff contained too, if you want to kind of put stuff together. The way I'm putting it in here is not going to fit, but it could fit if if I put it in correctly. But I'm just showing you for an example. This is a way, like if you want to keep all your purpose-driven essentials stuff in one spot, the getting a little pouch like this or using a little pouch like this really helps. They often will include either a pouch that they have created with their logo on it, or I've noticed they've thrown in a couple now that are by this company, Creative Devotion. And so this is really cute. I really like that. And then they also throw in usually a devotional book or workbook or something like this. Oh, this is by John Bevere. John and Lisa Bevere, if you haven't heard of them, they're both very fairly famous authors and speakers. They're pretty blunt. They're pretty to the point. Sometimes they ask the hard questions in life, like, God, where are you? Finding strength and purpose in your wilderness. This is a tough question. This is kind of the question that trips a lot of us up, right? Is where is God when bad things happen? Or why does God let bad things happen? I have not read this book yet, but as I've shared, I've been walking through a wilderness, so this is very well timed. And I do appreciate John and Lisa's ministries, because they do kind of just put it all out there. They're both pretty blunt people. And so I appreciate, some people may not appreciate that. Some people might like somebody with some softer edges to the way they speak, but I kind of appreciate their bluntness, but I'm a blunt person myself. So anyway, so look at all this great stuff. So we've got our book. There's almost always a book in their kits. There's always music. There's always some kind of goodie, and then there's always Bible journaling supplies. So the Purpose Driven Essentials Company, it's just a homegrown company. It's a very small business. I love being able to share their products with you guys. I love being able to partner with them. I love the heart behind what they do. They always have a theme that's going on, and in their kits to help you kind of negotiate your Bible journaling for the month if you want to use their theme. But their stuff is also versatile, and you can use it with your own ideas, your own thoughts, whatever study you're working on. And then you can always use the products outside of your Bible too. So anyway, this is Purpose Driven Essentials for April. I'm glad you joined me. I will be doing a number of different devotionals. My schedule has changed, and so I'm freed up to video more than I have been in the last few months. So hopefully I will see you guys more often here and bring you some more devotionals. So I'm excited. Happy April, and Easter is coming soon. So I want to wish you guys a blessed Easter and Holy Week that leads up to that, if that's what you celebrate and observe. And I will see you guys soon. Bye.